is the Goju Boulevard, which is kind of like a walkway in between two different main streets, which is Kirai and
Dobutsa.
Dobutsa.
These are Kuro Ruby, and they're one of our favorite desserts. Sweet cottage cheese, and then dark chocolate. That is just as good as I remember. There's the moon! It's beautiful!
We're headed to Subotica to meet our extended family, the Horvath family.
Try to explain how he's related to us.
So the main difference between our families, our grandparents were brothers, but our grandfather got threatened. Basically, if he was going to stay in Hungary, then he was going to be sent to a camp or something, and so he had to leave Hungary, and so our family fled and it ended up in the US, but theirs stayed here. That's the main split. Good morning, Zach.
Good morning, Amanda.
We're going from Subotica to the Porridge Lake. That's a little town near to Subotica.
Fleischgewice. Fleisch.
How did you say?
Pieskovica.
Not the way Zach said it.